and how you've connected with me now with Art Club.
Okay, so my name is Ayesha. I'm normally an art student, but I'm off at the moment. Art Club, I've connected with Naz. It's been really fun because obviously I've been isolated in lockdown. Being able to be involved in a project like this, I've learnt new skills, played with mediums I've never touched before, and just connecting it with Naz has been really good. She's always around when you have a question.
What has it meant to you to be involved with Art Club?
It's been meant a lot being involved in the art club. As I said, I've been feeling isolated, so having that little thing on the side to do has made me feel happy.
And then, how did it feel to be involved in Lost Connections, and what's that meant to you?
Being involved in Lost Connections meant a lot for me because I got to think about feelings, use my creativity again.
And then, what did having the art packs and the doorstep deliveries from Naz mean to you, and what has it helped you with?
Having the art packs and delivery has meant a lot to me. It's helped me with my confidence, like speaking to people and like using my creativity, because usually I keep away from my talent, but now since then I'm like doing more of it.
How did it feel to take part and create your story and art for Lost Connections, because you did your beautiful hand art?
When I was creating my hand, it made me happy, emotional as well, like because I'm thinking of different words that are connected to me.
And would you like to share a part of your Lost Connections story? Was there anything on there that you'd like to tell me about?
Just, I would say I've learnt a lot, and thank you for like allowing me to be involved.
Right. So what has meant the most to you with the projects?
Showing my creativity has meant a lot. Having feedback, like telling me how I've done, and like meeting new people that I've never spoken to, and them commenting on what I've done means a lot.
And what has changed in you, do you think, since doing the projects? Do you think anything's changed or anything you've learned?
Since doing the project and being involved, I think I have changed. I'm getting in my artistic skills, I'm improving. Not only that, what I've learned in the project I can share with my college assignments as well.
Because actually you've taught your niece, haven't you? And you were featured artist. You've done loads of little different things for all this time. I've been chatting to you for a year now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then if you had a sentence or 3 words to describe the community art projects with Naz, could it be Lost Connections or Art Club? What would they be?
The 3 words I can think of for this whole project would be fun, creative, and supportive.
Paid you to do this, alright? Oh my god. And then the last one, so I'm creating a new project which is like a cult of radical kindness. So I am after any things like a quote about Newport, about kindness, something that you've done maybe for your family or community, or something shown to you. So anything you'd like to share about kindness in your community in Newport.
Newport is very kind, and there's a lot of going on. I obviously brought my charity work into college as well. So I asked my college if they will host the Rhubarb Newport Coke donation box, and that went really well. A lot of staff and students donated over 22 coats, and I got them and donated that to the Feed Newport charity.
That's lovely. And is there anything else you'd like to share? That it could be a message to everybody else to do with hope or all this time? Anything you'd like to?
The message I would like to share is don't be afraid of your talents. Come up with them. Share what you know and have, and see what's going on locally and get involved.